This method can help you make affiliate commissions every single day from Digistore24 with just 15 seconds of work. Infamous Joel here, and in this video you're going to learn just that. You're going to learn my method for making affiliate commissions every single day with just 15 seconds of work. It's crazy. Now, if you're new to this channel and you want to make money online, I'm the infamous Joel, and I bring it to you straight. I show you the easiest and simple techniques to make money online and leave your job, leave your 9-to-5 forever and ever. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and make sure you give me that like, give me that thumbs up that everybody wants and everybody likes. It makes me really happy. I'd really appreciate it. So without further ado, if you're struggling to make affiliate commissions online, you're trying to do affiliate marketing, you heard of this thing, and you're saying to yourself, how do I get started? How do I make some money? Just follow my step-by-step in this video right here, and you're good. You're golden. You don't have to sit there and struggle with all the complicated stuff a lot of gurus have out there. I'll give it to you a simple pathway right here. Now, to get started, if you're on this video, more than likely you've heard of this program called Digistore24. Now, Digistore24 is relatively new, and it's actually replaced some of the older affiliate networks that have been around for a long time, like ClickBank and Warrior Plus. A lot of people are starting to gravitate towards this Digistore24. It's a place similar to like ClickBank, you know, where vendors of people that create products and services, digital stuff, can combine and connect with affiliates like you and me, who can drive traffic to their website, to their funnels, to their sales pages, to their products, and make sales and make commissions for ourselves so that we can get the hell out of that job that we all hate, that we all want to just, you know, retire online. So this Digistore24 program in 2022, this thing is taking over. Everybody is now gravitating towards this instead of like ClickBank or Warrior Plus. Now, one of my favorite things, if you click up here on the button that says Marketplace, just look at how big their marketplace is. On the side left here, you can see all the different niches that they have. All the niches means like industries, sectors, if you're not familiar with the lingo. But basically what that means, just think about it: fitness and health, family and kids, education, email marketing, games and fun. It doesn't matter what you're into. If you've been following me long enough, or if you're one of my students in my course, then you know that I always preach, do what you love. Your business should be what you love. Your affiliate stuff should be around what you love. Too many people start off in this industry and think, oh, because I probably went through the infamous Joel's link and he's into making money online, then maybe I should turn around and sell making money online stuff. You don't necessarily need to. If you don't feel comfortable with that, if that's not your forte, you don't like talking about money all day, every day, it kind of feels stingy and grimy and dirty and dusty and disgusting, and it makes you feel icky in some weird way, that's not what you should be doing, okay? You should be excited. You should be happy waking up every single morning, every single day saying, I have my own business and I get to talk about blank. I get to talk about dance and music. I get to talk about animals and pet care, and maybe it is business and development, investment. Maybe it's computers and internet. Maybe you like putting together computers. You're a computer geek, you know, you like to talk about that stuff all day. Doesn't matter what it is. But what you should do first and foremost is decide what is your niche. And you don't pick a niche based on what makes the most money. You don't pick a niche based on what everybody else is doing. You pick a niche based off when you sit there and look at yourself in the mirror and ask yourself, who am I? Your niche should come out. That's it. It's that simple. Any guru out there telling you otherwise and saying you should do this or you should do that, they're full of crap. Okay? I'm going to be the only one to tell you, do what you love. Do what you're passionate about. So pick one of these niches and pick, you know, definitely pick something you love to talk about. You can talk about for hours and hours and days, months and months, because you're going to have to make content around this stuff. So if you don't love it, I mean, they have sports. I mean, like 95% of guys are into sports. Then be a sports guy, be a sports guru. Then you have your links right here. You have your products you can sell right here. It doesn't matter what you do or what you love. It's all here. So just for the sake of this video, let's pick one of these niches. I'll just pick at random. I'll pick games and fun. Look how freaking cool this is. Now imagine you're into video games, different types of games, whatever, and you have some kind of content channel. We'll get into the strategies here in just a minute. If you stick with me to the end of the video, I'll give you my whole strategy of how to sell this stuff for 15 seconds of work every day. Super simple. Now, imagine this. Build your own games. This seems like a really cool product. It's not very popular, probably because of what I said before. Everybody wants to sell make money products or whatever, you know, gets them the highest earnings. Here you can see you get about $10.89 per sale, 75% commission. That's actually not bad, because you have to think, when you're doing work on the internet, and especially with this method that I'm about to show you, you only do 15 seconds of work here and there, and your content, the stuff that you're creating, the stuff that people are going to see, exists without you. That's the problem with jobs right now, is that you have to show up to make the money. If you don't show up, if you're out with COVID, God forbid, if you're out, you want to take a family day or something, you won't make money. The internet is the opposite of that. When you create something, you create a video. Right now you're watching this video. I'm not here. Right? You think I'm here. I recorded this video how long ago? I don't know, whatever date it is under this video, but that's when I made this video. And it's the same thing with this method that I'm going to show you. So when you're collecting this $10 per sale, just remember, you're not there while it's going on. That's what you need to focus on. That's how you get out of your job. You set up mechanisms and systems to make income while you're sleeping. So let's just say, for the sake of this video, let's get into this amazing 15-second method that I kind of invented and discovered at the same time. But let's say you choose this one, okay? This build your own games product, and we click promote now. And we have, well, I have to sign up and, log in and everything like that. But let's say you click promote now. Okay, and what they're going to do is, if after you've signed in, you've registered and everything, they're going to give you your own affiliate link. It's going to pop up right here. Just copy and paste it, save it somewhere safe. That link right there is always going to be traced back to you. Whenever someone clicks that link, that means that that is your potential customer and no one else's. So you want to keep it safe. You want to definitely watch it like a hawk and don't let anybody else mess with it. Okay, that's your special making money link. Now let's go on over to this method that I talked about. Let's go on over to this. What is this method that takes 15 seconds a day, and that's it, and you make money from it? So we go over here and we're gonna go to TikTok.com. That's right, TikTok. Now if you're not on TikTok yet, if you're not creating content on TikTok, you're not building an audience on TikTok, you're not creating a following on TikTok, then you're stupid. TikTok is taking over. Okay, it's the fastest growing social media platform since, I think, like Instagram. Instagram blew up. It grew very, very, very quickly, and then it just kind of flatlined, and it's kind of plateaued at this point. But TikTok is growing, has been growing, and is still growing. I mean, by the day. Everyone's joining TikTok. People love these really short pieces of content. And specifically for you, if you're trying to make money online, this is the most unbelievable opportunity right now in the world. Okay, you make little tiny, crappy, this is like a GIF from a movie. You don't have to be like super creative or like be on video half the time. You can have like a photo like this that's like funny, whatever. All it is you're attracting eyeballs with really, really, really short stuff. It could be a photo, it could be a song, a video, whatever. And there's a lot of tutorials here on YouTube that'll show you how to do this. I'm going to create my own that's going to show you step by step how to do marketing on TikTok and make money from TikTok. If it's not down in the comment section just yet, it will be. Just look for it. I'm going to pin it to the top of the comment section. For now, somewhere up here in the corner, I'm going to show you my Facebook strategy that could get you a few sales every single day. Now that's equally simple, takes you a few minutes, but I like the TikTok idea a lot better. So if you want to hang on and wait on TikTok, then go ahead and do that instead. But you can make these videos like 15 seconds a day, little video here, little video there, maybe a photo, whatever, and make it around, in this example, make it around gaming so that you attract the kinds of people who are into video games, and maybe they want to build their own games. At that point, in your TikTok video, in your photos, in the stuff that you're posting, you have like a little arrow or a little call to action, a little thing that says, hey, I have a link in the bio. You're actually able to go ahead and put a link in your bio. It doesn't say mine, but I have a link in my bio, but can't see it right now. I don't know why. Well, I don't know what's going on there. But anyway, I have a link in my bio, but that's the strategy. That's it. And the beauty of TikTok is your stuff goes viral very, very quickly. Let's just search here so we can see games, or let's do video games, and let's see who's killing it right now on TikTok with video game stuff. Look at this guy. Look at this video. Video games that take the longest to beat, and he has like a short, it looks like a little slideshow kind of thing. And for God's sakes, this guy's gotten millions of views with just about the most simple video I've ever seen in my entire life. That's it. It took him how long to put this together? How about this guy? I mean, he's just like talking about the funniest glitches, but what you're trying to do is you're trying to accumulate eyeballs. Who are the people who are interested in this stuff? And then you just tell them, hey, there's a link in the bio. These things, look at this, 3.1 million views, 1.8 million views, 4.3 million views. There is a lot of potential on this platform for the smallest, simplest, stupidest things, okay? You don't have to be this like Mozart of posting content. It could be the simplest stuff and you're still making a crap ton of money, okay? Now, with that being said, I have an entire playlist right here that shows you all my tips and tricks on making money online. There's also a link in the description below this video that shows you how to get started, and it's my first 1K online blueprint. It'll show you step by step, click by click, how to get to your first $1,000 online and beyond. Make sure you check that out.